What's up, YouTube? This is JB, and today I'm doing a review on the Dodge Demon. First, let's start off with the front of the car. First thing you'll notice is the Demon has the largest functional hood scoop on any production car. To get even more air inside, they ditched both the inner grille lights and made it air intake. And if you look real close, they even put Demon logos inside. Then you even got this front lip spoiler that's only on the Demon models. Now let's move to the side of the car. First thing you'll notice is how far these fenders are flared out. To me, it makes the car look even meaner. And I mean, they had to do that to fit these drag radials underneath. These drag radials were made specifically for the Demon and even have a Demon logo on them. Now let's move to the rear of the car. Dodge kept it simple with this and only put the SRT emblem on the back. Now for the engine. Now the Demon has a 6.2 liter supercharged V8 engine that puts out over 840 horses on race fuel and 808 on regular pump gas and 770 pounds-feet of torque. Look real close, they even added a Demon right here. Now for the interior. This car does have the passenger seat option and also the back seat. Alright, so in the interior, when you start up the car, you do get a little Demon logo. You see your paddle shifters. Still get all your buttons on the steering wheel just like in any other Challenger. And now for the touchscreen, you still get your regular options, media, climate, you got your apps. But in the apps now you have your SRT mode. And that gives you a lot of different options where you can turn it on drag mode. Custom mode, or even just automatic mode. And then you have other drag options. That's where you get your launch control, your line lock, and so on. Now on the performance pages, now you get gauges. You got your oil, coolant, and battery. Then you can even see a G-force. Another cool part that I like, dyno mode, where you can see how many horses and just watch the chart go up as you in the move. This car is number 1502 out of 3500, 3000 in the US and 500 in Canada. And this car also has the dollar option to add the carpet in the trunk. So here it is. That's the Dodge Demon. So this car is for sale by the owner, but if you do want this, I'll get you in contact with my boy Clint over here at Voyles Chrysler, Jeep, Dodge, and Ram. And what I'll do is I'll put his information in the description below. So if you're interested, just send him an email and let him know that I sent you. Alright, so that's the Dodge Demon. So what I want y'all to do is make sure you hit the subscribe button so y'all can see whenever I put up any other videos. And then comment below what you want to see. Tell me if you want to see a Trackhawk, if you want to see a SRT Durango. Just let me know and I'll try to do a review on it. So alright, peace.